Solid principle. Let's see why it's important for building automation framework. It's a fire design principle which allows to write the automation code in more cleanable, maintainable, and flexible code, and which makes it less buggy. Wherein in solid, S stand for single responsive principle, O for open close principle, L for list code substitution principle, I for interface segregation principle, and D for dependency inversion principle. Let's see one by one. First, single responsible principle. One class equal to one responsible. That means if you're creating class of any object, you keep all the responsibility of the class in that class only. Don't mix with multiple class. For example, separate class for login, user API, DB utils. Don't mix multiple behaviors in one class. Second, open close principle. Open for extension and close for modification. Let's see with example. You have created one class and you selecting the browser based on the string path. uh, for example, if you want to add any other browser instead of this Chrome example, you need to edit the same class. Instead of it, you can create the separate class for each browser and call that class one by one, whichever is required. So this allows to extend the class instead of modifying the same class. Third, list code substitution principle that says that child class should work properly when used instead of parent class. For example, you have one browser class and you want to use Firefox, any other browser, Chrome browser. You can easily extend it and it won't break. You have to create child class in such a way you can call the child class directly. Interface segregation principle. It says that do not force the class to implement things it doesn't need. You have to maintain the interface in separate class. Don't put the interface in one class. Fourth, dependency inversion principle. It says that depend on abstract, not on the concrete implementation. Let's understand with example. You creating the one test class for login page, and in that constructor you define the driver directly Chrome. Whenever you want to run that login page, you directly call the Chrome browser, which means you have implemented direct on the concrete class. Instead of it, you define one abstract class and implement there so that you can easily change the browser whenever required. Thank you.